Okay, this could be intended to show the world's fastest data sheet. I'm going to show a couple of segments of the actual test, but the focus will be on the data sheet creation at the end. Notice how it corrects for winding resistance, corrected to 200.37 to 199.94. That's convenient if the ratio you get because of drop in the leads and the winding resistance is a little bit out of tolerance. You can be reassured that it is exact. I'm going to stop the video and wait till the end of the test. Okay, I've let the test run to the end, and I have gone to the aux menu and started the FTP server in the test set. Simple key press there. Nothing that's covered in the instruction book. And I want to show you how easy it is to start the get an instant data sheet. This is the flash drive that would be provided with the machine when you buy it. I just click on CT test, which is the data viewer. The data viewer is right there. I click on FTP, and it gets the test results of the 600 to 5 CT I tested, multi-tap CT, out of the test set. Then press the tab key. I can tab through the data on the different taps. The color of the background matches the color of the tap, so it's pretty easy to relate to that. Like that's the X3 tap, which is green. If I want to know the exact value at a certain point, put the tip of the mouse on and click on it. It says I equals 0.178, excuse me, V equals 79.4. Of course, the ratio results are over here on the left. If I want to save a note, like I want to have included in the file, who did this? Well, the first thing I have to do is open the file that is automatically saved when I make the FTP transfer from the test set. This is the same data I was just looking at, except now instead of the initial loading download from FTP, I open the file. I want to write a note. Detect was Bill Doe. A phase breaker 1. Okay? Save that note. The note is saved. Okay, the winding resistance, I did a winding resistance check. I found out it was 0.45 ohms. I just typed 0.45 in there. Save winding, just say the burden was 0.77 ohms. Save burden resistance. It then calculates the accuracy limit factor, and that is scaled to the tap you're on. It assumes the winding resistance was 1, the scale was 1 for the full winding, and scales it in proportion to the number of turns, so you can tab through and see what the accuracy limit factor is on all the taps. If I want to see the note, of course I can just reload the file, and it says the tech was Bill Doe A phase. And that's how simple it is to get the data from the test set to the PC. Doesn't get any simpler than that. There's other ways, of course, by copying it to the flash drive or recording it directly on the flash drive while you're testing, but that is the simplest and quickest way to get it there and view it. You can also paste the data into Word or your favorite data sheet word processor if you want, but this data viewer allows what I think is the best view of the data. Thanks for watching.